Hi students, welcome to my channel Excellent Ideas in Education. Today we are going to solve this series and parallel combination circuit. Find the total current flowing due to the voltage source shown in the circuit. You see in this circuit, the current flows in this direction. This way, this goes this way, this comes this way, this goes this way, it goes this. This current comes this side, goes this way. Next, this current goes this way. This current comes here, goes this way. This current goes this way. Now we will write the naming of the circuit. Here is A, here is B, C, D, E, F, G, H. You see A, B, C, D up to here is series. A, B, C, D, E is series. After that you see B to G, B to G. You can join here B to G. 0.5 ohm, 0.5 ohm. This is series. 0.5 ohm, 0.5 ohm. So this is parallel 2 ohm. Next you see C, E, F. C is here, E is 2 ohm, C to F is 1 ohm. This one finish, this one finish. After that you see here, C comes here, after that goes this way. So C, you see 0.5 ohm. Where it goes, D is here, after that D. After that D, join 0.5 ohm. We rearrange the circuit. After that, we will calculate the series and parallel combination circuit. A. After that, you see B. B here, this is series, this is parallel. Now we will take series 1. So RS1 is equal to 0.5 plus 0.5 equal to 1 ohm. This one now replaced as 1 ohm. You see here, this is 1 ohm. After that, this is parallel. Now you see this is parallel circuit. 1 by RP1 is equal to 1 by 1 plus 1 by 2. Cross this 2 plus 1 by 2 into 1 equal to RP we will take. So 2 into 1 divided by 2 plus 1 equal to 0.666 ohm. Now this one is 0.666 ohm. You see 0.666 ohm. This one finished. After that we'll go C. C you see this is parallel. 1 by RCD equal to 1 by 0.5 plus 1 by 1. Cross this 0.5 plus 1 divided by 0.5 into 1. This is 1 by RCD. RCD is equal to, reverse it, 0.5 into 1 divided by 0.5 plus 1. This is 0.5 by 1.5. Answer is 0.333 ohm. You see this one is 0.333 ohm. Next you see this one is series. Now we will take RCDS. 0.333 ohm plus 0.5 ohm equal to 0.833 ohm. Now this one is 0.833 ohm. Next you see this is 0.833 ohm. Next you see this circuit is in parallel. 1 by RCE P is equal to 1 by 0.666 plus 1 by 0.833. Cross this and this. 1 by RCEP is equal to 0.833 plus 0.666 divided by 0.666 into 0.833. We will calculate only RCEP. 0.666 into 0.833 divided by 0.833 plus 0.666. You will reverse. You see 1 by RCEP is this one. RCEP means you can reverse this, equal to 0.37 ohm. So RCEP is 0.37 ohm. You see here 0.37 ohm. Up to this finished. So this is 0.37 ohm. You see this and this is series. You see this circuit is in series combination. Or S is equal to 2 plus 0.37 is equal to 2.37 ohm. This is RS. You see 2.37 ohm. Down you see 0.666 ohm. Now you see this two circuit is in parallel. 1 by RBHP is equal to 1 by 2.37 plus 1 by 0.666. Cross this and this. 1 by RBHP is equal to 0.666 plus 2.37 divided by 2.37 into 0.666. RBHP is equal to 2.37 into 0.666 divided by 0.666 plus 2.37 equal to 0.52 ohm. This answer is 0.52 ohm. You see here 0.52 ohm is here. AB. This circuit is 1 ohm. This is series combination. Series combination, what we will do? We will add. Next. Or A H S is equal to 1 plus 0.52 equal to 1.52 ohm. This is RAHS. You see RAH circuit is 1.52 ohm. What we need to find in this question, find the total current. What is total current formula? Total current I is equal to V by R. What is V? V is given as 12 volt. 12. R value now only calculated 1.52 equal to I. What is the answer? 12 divided by 1.52 is 7.85 ampere. What is the total current value is 7.85 ampere. Thanks for watching this video.